It is travel day, I don't know. Here's Mom.
Hello.
We are watching, well, okay, it was football.
I think we are leaving in about half an hour.
So I'll keep the vlog updated on that. Actually, I want just hello everybody. Oh, this is terrible. Hi. Oh, hi, what's up?
Annie. Say something.
Annie.
Oh, no, this one's definitely my favorite though. Be careful. Nice. So good. Actually, no, I think this is for the things. Tell us what's going on.
It's Monday, day 1 of lecture. I just woke up clearly. And Emily's decided it's a good time to film me. I call a raccoon trash panda. Like, have you seen the guy that calls snakes danger noodles? I feel like we should change that legally. I don't even think
She just made me some Vegemite. Yeah. Do you like it? Oh, yes. Yeah?
she likes it. This is success.
It's so salty.
Yeah, I told you, salty.
It was a success. Hello vlog. Hello vlog. Where are we headed?
We're going to Brisbane.
Yes. Why are we going to Brisbane? Tell us.
I don't exactly know.
We don't exactly know.
Awakening Australia.
Awakening Australia.
We're gonna preach the gospel, do some worship, listen to Jeremy Riddle.
Woo!
And it's gonna be a big old conference of lots of Christians getting together as the body of Christ.
You love it? Here, you can look at yourself.
I'm Michaela and I'm from Germany.
I'm Emma, I'm from North Carolina.
I'm Ashlyn, I'm from Canada. I'm Liv, I'm from California.
I'm Hazel, I'm from Arkansas.
I'm Ella, and I'm from Minnesota.
I'm Lena and I'm from Ohio.
I'm Annie, and I'm from England. And this is Bella, she's from England. I'm from Canada. Canada.
Hey guys, I'm here with YWAM.
On the first night, she was sleep talking and she was like, hey guys, I'm here with YWAM. I was like, girl.
Maybe it was God calling me to the vlogger life, but we're on our way to Brisbane. This is what it looks like.
We made it.
We made it!
Ashlyn, yeah, tell us about it.
What?
Whatever you want.
So we're at the event, we're gonna have to go to church. Because there's a thing that started at 10 that we're gonna try and catch a little bit of.
Silly songs with Larry. It's part of the show. And sings the same song.
Hey vlog. Okay, so this is a story about me. When I was like 6,
What is this?
it's a vlog. When I was like 6, I used to live in a little acreage where it was like all the neighbors were boys and it was just me and my brother, so it was me and all these boys. And one day they peed on me, like collectively, like 4 of them peed on me, and then my mom was like, "Okay," to my brother, she's like, you can't hang out with them for a whole week. They got grounded for a whole week because they peed on me together. And that's actually serious. I'm being so for real. Thank you.
Wait, okay, start over.
Okay, so when I was in primary school, my friend came over for dinner. And I don't know, I got the giggles at dinner and I spat my drink out all over everyone's dinner.
What do you have to say about that?
Crazy. My mum got so upset with me, but because like my dining room's right next to my stairs, she didn't want me to sit on the stairs because she knew that I'd get distracted because my friend was in there. So she sent me to the bathroom. I had to like sit on the toilet for 15 minutes.
British people.
Yeah, vlog.
Yeah, I feel like this isn't the best version.
No, this is perfect.
I think it's great.
We're here.
Yup,
Brisbane.
we're out here waking Australia.
Yeah, we are. And it's raining. Do you have anything to say?
I feel like this is real. I feel like I'm back in England.
Do you have anything to say?
Nothing inspirational.
We purchased these trash bags. Alright, everybody, update. As soon as we got these
Oh my
ponchos.
gosh, there's Carson and Cody.
Okay, never mind. We were lost and now we're not. Okay. We have been given tickets. A bunch of free tickets to tonight's
QR codes.
and QR codes to the gospel or something to go evangelize and give them out to people to come
Jesus
tonight.
love.
To spread Jesus love, yes. Coming to you from Brisbane, Australia.
I do like
Hey. Yes.
Father Abraham. I'm one of them. So are you. So are you. So let's all praise the Lord. Father Abraham.
Ashlyn. This is our situation. Oh boy. Anyway, good night, everybody.
Hi guys, we're just having breakfast this morning and having some toast. I'm excited for the day. Have a good one, guys.
Hello, vlog.
Hey guys.
What are we doing?
Oh, sorry. We are sitting in a corner where the wind is not, and we're eating chocolate. Very healthy. See, I ordered the large chips and I ate every single chips. And my chips have been fries. I don't know why I keep saying that.
Anyways.
Okay, hi guys. We were at the... I probably shouldn't say where we live. And we're making, well, I'm assisting in the process of making...
She poured the vanilla.
I measured the vanilla extract, but we're making banana bread. Welcome to Annie and Emily's cooking kitchen time.
Okay.
So we were just discussing what we wanted to be when we grew up.
Yes, we
And I was saying that in England there's a thing called being a lollipop lady. Insert picture here. And that's what I wanted to be, and they basically just help kids cross the road outside schools and stuff. And for some reason, when I was in reception in school, or year one, that's what I really want to do in my life. We're vlogging.
Good.
Oh my gosh. Emily, you need to tell the vlog what you wanted to do.
So they're fighting a lot.
We're actually not.
Do you want to measure the baking soda?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
I went to get ingredients and you did all the baking.
What, like we just mixed it? I measured the vanilla. Anyway, tell the vlog what you wanted to be.
I wanted to be a chef.
Yeah, me. Same. Yeah.
What is this?
Not funny.
My persona.
Here we are.
Right, Lady, you have to tell the vlog what you wanted to be when you grew up.
I wanted to be a teacher, I think, for like the longest time.
Wow.
But now I don't know what I want to be. Like a businesswoman of some sort.
None of us know what we want to be.
Hello everyone. When I was little, I wanted to be a mom when I grow up.
Oh,
And I still want to be that.
Me too.
I might want to go into physical therapy or be a physician assistant, but mostly I just want to stay at home.
Okay, alright. What else have we got to add to the vlog?
You can show them some ingredients.
Mix, spice, blend.
What happened? You got stressed?
Drunk man was outside, and I have PTSD of running to get chased at uni.
It's really positive.
My carbon soda.
Is she being positive?
She's so positive. She's overcoming it. No. So anyway, back to the vlog. We got.
She's still being harassed by.
Organic vanilla extra. Ew. I'll vlog.
Girl.
And then tag fully at me. I want a vlog camera, was this expensive? I want to be a vlogger. This is our banana bread. This is the espresso machine.
You know, I go to uni in sunny Southampton. That's the most sunny city in England.
What? Is it?
Yeah.
I go to university in Drenchford.
Do they feed you at uni?
Should we do a dance?
Okay guys, we're finishing the vlog. Alright, see you in
Thanks
vlog
for
number
spending
2.
orientation week with us. How was that?
That was really good. Okay, good.